Now it's a spring, I want to prepare my garden. Now, so you see something white over here, what happened? I got the fireplace. And when I clean the fireplace all the time, I got the ash. And I never throw away the ash. The ash I got, you see, I use all the time the ash. It make a good fertilizer. And now, what I do, I prepare and I want to spread all over the place over here. It's no big garden, but I got to prepare. I want to prepare, I got a plant on this when I turn. I want to put parsley, prezzemolo. It's the same, parsley, prezzemolo. Cilantro and rucola. After, I got to do the seeds. I do the seeds by myself. I got everything over there, but I don't start the end, maybe a couple of more days. After the seeds, it takes time to grow. After transplant, you put on the little big pots, and you gotta go right over here. My tomato, oh yeah, baby, too. You go over here. Look at that. Look at the ash. Look at this. I put the manure, okay? The manure, but I told you the truth, I don't like using the Miracle Grow or fertilizer like this. That's what I use. I go for manure. Okay, look there. We started with a shovel. You gotta turn the ground. The ground you gotta be, look at that dirt, look how beautiful. You see the horse? The horse, he do a good job. Somebody, he said to me, Pasquale, you can send it to me big, that dirt, clean the pots? I said, boy, it's a lot of pound. And I told her, I said, you go outside and you got to do dirt. Okay, now everybody say, why you turn the dirt? The dirt, so you know turn the dirt, it's like a concrete, all the snow, the ice, everything. And you walk all the time on the top, it's too hard. You gotta turn, you gotta recognize everything. Now, so you got a little problem, you find roots, everything on the ground. You got this one too. This we call it in Italy, maiseri. We call it upredenda. Upredenda, look at the job we do this one. In Italy, the place I was living, we don't use the shovel. We use this, the predenda, and we use a azapel. Azapel, it's a straight, no teeth like this. This one, it's good to open the clams. Ooh, you open the clams with this. I see. After when you do like this, you cover the, where you put the step with the shoes, everything. Look how beautiful it look. Okay, now I've done this, and I want to show it everybody. After you've done everything with a rake, you make it nice, like this, okay? It comes nice and smooth and nice and soft to the ground, look. All right? Now, so you want to see more video, you let me know. Like this, I'll show you the rest, the plant, everything. And this ground, it's so good. Look there. You can, when you plant the tomato, you can do with your hand. Look. Look there. Can make sure the turn of the ground and recognize. That's it. Okay? Let me know. Thumbs up. It's this good job. And plus, you do this, it's an exercise. I don't want to go to the gym. I do over here in my garden all the time. And look at this. Now, just I was to clean up everything over here. Okay, thank you very much, everybody. Thank you.